Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are well. I am also well. I am Mohammad Nizamuddin Tarafdar, lecturer, Department of English, Mudhupur Shahid City Higher Secondary School, Mudhupur, Tangail. I express my gratitude to Almighty Allah who has enabled me to meet with you once again. After celebrating Eidul Adha, today I am going to discuss another grammatical points. Dear students, I congratulate all of you on my online classes. Before Eidul Adha, I was discussing voice sense from active to passive, but I could not finish my lecture. After Eidul Adha, I am going again to discuss the remaining points. Now look at the white boards. We must endure what we cannot cure. This is a complex sentence. We must endure what we cannot cure. Also a proverb. Here we see that we subject must endure verb transitive. What we cannot cure. This is noun clause and object. Noun clause, object. This is a noun clause and in the place of object. So, think deeply in this sentence. In this clause, we see we subject cannot cure verb transitive. What? Object. What? Interrogative pronoun. If the object becomes interrogative pronoun, then it comes at the beginning of the clause or sentence. So, we have to change this clause in this way. What? Object noun clause, but it must be changed into passive, this clause. What cannot be cured? What cannot be cured? What cannot be cured by us? By us. Also no need of mentioning what cannot be cured. We have changed the clause into passive form. It has noun clause has been changed. What cannot be cured has become subject. This clause has become subject after altering into passive. What cannot be cured? Now transitive verb must be endured by us. By us. Also no need. Must be endured by us. This is a proverb, so by us, mentioning by us, no need. Only understanding is enough. What cannot be cured by us in bracket. Also you can mention must be endured. Must be to be verb, endured past participle, must be endured by us. We have ended this complex sentence. Now, if the sentence becomes compound, Look at this sentence. The jailer fined 2 prisoners and released one. Released one. Here we see the jailer subject, fined verb transitive, 2 prisoners object, and the conjunction of compound, released one, released, that is the subject is the same person, the jailer. So after and you can mention he, it is not compulsory, or you may not mention it. And released one. So now change the sentence into a 2 prisoners, as it is object. So write down in this way, 2 prisoners, 2 prisoners, object has become subject, 2 prisoners, subject plural, 2 prisoners were fined, 2 prisoners were fined, 2 prisoners were fined, and one. Now come in the second person, and one was, as it is third person singular, so to be verb must be was, and one was released, one was released by the jailer, by the jailer. Yes, the prisoners, 2 prisoners were fined and one was released by the jailer. Now look at this sentence, it is also compound, but subject Shumi. Shumi saw Tisha. Shumi subject, saw verb transitive, Tisha object, and called her, called verb transitive, her object. But in this sentence, in the both person, object is the same person, object is the same person, her. So you have to change this active sentence in this way. Tisha was seen. Tisha was seen and was called by Shumi. Tisha was seen and was called. Here was is no need, because the object is same person. So you have to write down in this way, Tisha was seen and called by Shumi. Now look at this sentence, I finished the work and then found my pen. Here we also see 2 objects in this compound, 2 dissimilar object. I finished the work and then found, verb also separate, found my pen, object another person, 2 person, 2 separate objects. So you have to change this sentence in this way, the work was finished, and then my friend was found by me. Dear students, now look at this sentence, boys with it was time, in this way. It is time to do the work. We see infinitive phrase to do the work, and you have to change this infinitive phrase, because to do transitive verb, the work is object. Its structure are two. The first structure is it is or it was time plus that when plus infinitive er object, infinitive er object the were plus should be, you have to take should be plus infinitive er past participle. In this structure you have to change this sentence in this way. It is time that structure of that it is time that the work should be done. The work should be done. The work should be done. Bas. Ended. It is time that the work should be done. It is time that the work should be done. You can sense this sentence in this way, or it is time. Very easy for it is time for now take the object for the work to be done. The second way to be done in this way, to be done. It is time for the work to be done. Now look at this sentence. It is necessary to call in a doctor. So go above the according to the structure of the above. It is necessary that a doctor should be called in. It is necessary that a doctor should be called in. You can sense the sentence in this way. Now I am going to draw your attention in bare infinitive. Look, bare infinitive. Bare means khali. Bare means khali, that is without. So there are some words, if those words come in the active sentence, that two is omitted. Need, be, dare, make, hear, let, feel, know, behold, was. In this way, he made me go. Actually there was two, but because of made verb two has been omitted, and so it has become the sentence in this way. He made me go, and you have to change the sentence in this way. Change. I was made to go by him. When you will change this active into passive, you have to write down the full infinitive. I was made to go by him. Now look at this sentence. The sailor watched the companions fall down dead. Now change the sentence according to the above structure, above way. The sailor subject watched about the companions object. Fall, actually it was to fall, bare infinitive. So the companions were watched to fall dead by the sailor. Jerry let them use his skates. When let will come, that time let infinitive, it will be bare infinitive always. Jerry let them use his skates. So it will be sensed in this way. They were let use his skates by Jerry. They were let use, not to use. They were let use his skates by Zeri. Dear students, today I have no time. Inshallah tomorrow I shall discuss about it. Remain good and healthy. Allah Hafiz.